Hey friends, if you wish to fix Winload efi file missing error on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on this administrator. Type SFC space forward slash scan now and hit enter. Now, this will need time. You will keep working on the while minimizing it and keeping it in the background. But if this does not help, then the last solution is to reset Windows. Okay, so you can back up your data before performing this action. Right click on the start button, select settings, system, scroll down on recovery, reset PC, remove everything, and then select cloud download. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.